Ever gone to a store and bought something and got home and realized it wasn't worth buying? That happened to me.
Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Yeah, I'm on the road again. I'm at Menards, and I'm with our old friend, the Bayco Kord reel. 100-foot cord storage reel, complete with flash. And it's not just a random thing. All of them have it. Same spot, same two pins. Little reel is only $677. These are more expensive, larger reel. They don't have the same kind of mounts. So they seem to work okay as far as spinning. Got a little flash left over, but nothing like the one that won't turn, because these won't turn. I mean, that's stuck. No. Not impressed. Tractor Supply.
Same Bayco Kord Manager, just $7.99 instead of $6.99 like Menards.
Exactly the same. So if you're looking for cable reels, don't go to Tractor Supply either. At least not the Bayco ones. If you're looking for a cord reel, don't buy this one. It's got flashing on it. Probably don't buy any at Menards like this, because they all have flashing on it. And same thing goes for Tractor Supply. Maybe just this model of Bayco reel in general. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.